This is a video looking at energy and power in circuits as part of the electricity and magnetism module for Year 11 physics. So I'll start off with the idea that electrons, charged particles, so say I have an electron here in a wire, when they move through electrical components in a circuit, you have energy transformations happening. Okay, for example, you've got an electron moving along, hitting a resistor, transforming its kinetic energy, let's say, to thermal energy. Or if it hits, let's say, a light bulb, energy goes from kinetic energy to light energy, etc., etc. Now, the rate at which energy is transformed is called power. Power is given the symbol P. It's basically the change in energy, delta E, over time. Okay, energy changing over time. And you can rearrange this to find the change in energy, which is just the power times the change in time. If you recall, the potential difference in a circuit is just given the symbol V, and it's basically the change in energy per unit charge between 2 points, okay, in a circuit. And we also know that current is just charge flowing through a certain time, right? How much charge is flowing in some change in time. And if we multiply the two, if we take the product of current I and the potential difference V, if we do this, here's what we'll find mathematically. Delta T. Over Q. The Q's cancel out, and so we get delta E over delta T, and that is just the power P by definition from up here. Right, power is just change in energy over time. So therefore power can also be expressed as current times the potential difference, V. And current has units of watts, okay, 1 watt. 1 watt is equal to 1 amp per volt, let's say, right? And we can also rearrange this. We can re-express this in different ways, okay, using Ohm's law, V equals IR. So let's take P equals IV, and let's replace the V in terms of R. So we'll go, so V is basically IR, so I times IR, that's just I squared R. Or we can also express P equals IV in terms of just V and R. Okay, so I is just V over R. So V over R times V, that'll give us V squared over R. Okay, and that's power.